Hello, myself Dr. Rohan Badwe. I am a gastroenterologist at Manipal Hospital, Goa. Today we are speaking about something called as fatty liver disease. What is fatty liver? Fatty liver is very common problem now in India. Almost every fourth individual in India is affected by this fatty liver. Fatty liver is nothing but excess of fat in our body gets deposited into the liver tissue. Over the years, this liver tissue, some scarring happens, these liver cells dies and they get replaced by scar tissue. We call it as a fibrosis, and then it further progresses to the chronic liver disease or cirrhosis. In India right now, it is the leading cause for the chronic liver disease or cirrhosis. It is very common problem. It leads to the early development of diabetes, hypertension, stroke, polycystic ovarian disease. So it is the part of the systemic illness where it presents in early stage. So what are the causes of fatty liver and what are their clinical presentation? So fatty liver is more commonly seen in alcoholic patient. So those who are having excess alcohol intake, almost 90% of the people are affected by fatty liver. Second most common cause is obesity. More than 80% of the obese people are having fatty liver. Third most common is a diabetes. So almost fatty liver is seen in 70% of the diabetic patient. It is also seen in patients where the genetic predisposition is there. So if somebody is suffering from diabetes, hypertension, their children, siblings should be checked for the fatty liver. So these are the main causes. Fatty liver in early stages present with upper abdominal mild pain or right upper abdominal fullness. But as I mentioned earlier, as it progresses to the cirrhosis, they may present with blood vomiting, abdominal distension, and in advanced stage as a coma. So there is a varied presentation. If we detect fatty liver in early stage, we can prevent the patient from progressing to the advanced stage like cirrhosis of the liver. So what are the treatment options available for the fatty liver and how to prevent it? So there are newer drugs available where we can halt the progression of fatty liver from fatty liver stage towards the cirrhosis. How to prevent? These are simple measures. Every day you should sweat for 30 to 45 minutes. There should be brisk walking, jogging, anything you do, but there should be some intense exercise and the time duration should be around 30 to 45 minutes. Second is about your diet. Avoid carbohydrates where the food containing high glycemic index like chocolates, desserts, these things you avoid because this excess of carbohydrates, they are the main source for formation of fat in your body. Second is avoid more fatty foods. As we all know, we should avoid the junk foods, deep fried items because these excess fats are not used by our body and they get deposited into one organ. So simple measures like diet and exercise, you can prevent the fatty liver. Thank you.